all is well. Today I will be unboxing something authentic from the RealReal. So if you like these types of videos where I unbox authentic, like today, the evil twin items I DIY, I compare bags to review on bags, plus more like break my wrist and do you like my new wrist cast cover? Please like and subscribe. And if you want to talk fashion style, then DM me on my Instagram at TCP_lecture3. Let's start. I am healing better. The doctor said I'm healing fast. So it's awesome that I get to remove this cast before the 25th. It's before Christmas. Like I think it's 23rd, I have another appointment. Remove this and I'll be on a splint for like 4 months. That's a long time. Anyway, with this purchase, it was like Cyber Monday week when I broke my wrist. I think that's when I broke my wrist. Anyway, it was like an extended sale for the RealReal. This was an impulse purchase. I was in a lot of pain and I was like, I'm just gonna buy this. And I bought it. So we shall see if it is awesome or if I can return it. With the RealReal or other consignment stores that are like huge, like Fashion File and My Teresa and whatnot, they will allow you to return it as long as you do not rip off the tag. So with that said, what did I purchase? Let's take this to the living room because it's more festive out there. So we are in the living room. We seem to have some natural light. The tree is blocking, Christmas tree is blocking the light. But let's go ahead and see what I purchased. Aha! Here is the dust bag, the RealReal dust bag, and the receipt. Let's see. It was on sale for $3.90. So again, it was an impulse purchase. So here it is. Oh, so it has a bag, a dust bag. And oh, each shoe has more dust bags. So I got 3 dust bags, which is cool. There it is. It looks, I mean, consignment stores, they should be authentic. I'm assuming that all these dust bags, well, here's the item. We'll get to the dust bag soon, but I think this is more important. So I purchased, these sandals. I've always liked them when I first saw them and I had to purchase them. Here they are. Let's see if the sun can hit those cute rhinestones. It is a size 37 and it's lightly used. As you can see, it looks really clean. And this should be my size. It says returns will only be accepted if this sticker remains attached. So we have to try these on first before I remove that sticker. So it's one shoe. Here's the other dust bag. Let's see the other shoe. There is the tie. Oh my God, they're nice. They're so freaking nice. It says Gucci here in the back. And of course in here. Double G's on the bottom. Size 37 is my authentic size. Evil twins, I'm like a 38 for some reason, but like authentic Gucci, I'm always a 37 or 37 and a half. Sometimes the sneakers, I'm like a 36. It's crazy. But there they are. Aren't they so adorable? I mean, if they fit, I'm just gonna keep them because they are really cute. Pretty cute. The sun is not really bright, so it's not sparkling as much, but it is so adorable. Let's see my shoes. It's definitely authentic. However, I've never seen an evil twin of these. I've only saw the ones in the store, and this is exactly what I was expecting. And there is the tag. This is 37. A tag inside, which is what I was expecting, because authentic dust bags will have a tag. Regardless if they're made in Italy or China, they are authentic as long as they have this, but you know, good evil twins have tags as well, which is of a concern. Come on, darling. All right, let's try these on. So, what is the verdict? I love them. They are so adorable. So they're really cute and comfortable. You can see. Oh. Someone is loving the dust bags. As you can see, he's just going at it. Thanks everybody for watching. Have a wonderful day and talk to you soon. Bye.